Welcome to Apex Cars Direct. I'm delighted to present to you today the absolutely stunning Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE Luxury. This one's finished in Firenze Red and benefits from the exterior black pack. That includes the gloss black front grille, stunning 20-inch gloss black multi-spoke colour wheels, gloss black wind mirrors, and even the contrast Narvik gloss black roof with the panoramic full-length roof fitted as well. Down we have genuine Land Rover fitted side steps to make getting in and out of this vehicle a little bit easier. Rear privacy glass, keyless entry and keyless start. Overall, it really is in stunning condition. Backed up with a full service history. All four alloy wheels are in immaculate condition, all fitted with premium Hancock tyres with 5mm of tread on. This one has front and rear mud flaps also fitted. If you open the door and have a look what's inside, get that stunning ivory leather interior. The contrast black leather and ivory stitching. It's just in outstanding condition for the age and mileage of this example. Back we have heated rear seats with the extra plug sockets in the back, so we've got two 5 volts and a 12 volt for any technology that the kids want to plug in.